Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Conrad, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
O Menteri Rangba ka Jalaul Ong bagi dan Palat Ars Pak Ngut ki samla puli ka Meghalaya Kiba Sahkut menta Manipur. Ban marsen mi ke je kan at Manipur ul ong ba sarkar kala lum je alang wud kumno banyo sei no yaki nakate ke jala. Bat ka sarkar kala buru ki phone number khrang bagi khna bagi bahi nga sem jongki kinyo ban phone ala ja kanu ke jing dan kam je ram ka bakar ki ya.
The recent incidents that have been taking place in the state of Manipur have been very disturbing, and at this point in time I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities. I would like to appeal for peace, and I would like to urge that whatever the complications may be there, we should try and resolve those matters in an amicable manner. I also would like to appeal that we should not do anything to hurt any religious sentiments. There have been different attacks on different religious institutions and different religious places. These are not very healthy for our society, and this will only complicate matters more, and hence I urge that we should refrain from any such activity, and would like to appeal once again to all our friends and all our brothers and sisters in Manipur that we should try and ensure that peace prevails and all the different situations are and complications are resolved in an amicable manner. Also, this evening we had an emergent meeting with all the senior officials of the state government of Meghalaya to monitor the situation in Manipur, especially keeping in mind that a large number of students, almost close to 200 students from Meghalaya today are studying in Manipur, specifically in Imphal. We are monitoring the situation closely. We are in touch with the students of the different institutes. We are also making arrangements as a state government to try and evacuate our students at the earliest from there so that they can come back safely. We are making arrangements in terms of different transportation, especially air transportation, so that we can safely and quickly bring back our students back to our state. And we are also working on creating a permanent number, call center or a helpline number where the parents and the students can call on a 24-hour basis if they require any help or if any urgent matter is there. And I would like to urge the students studying in Manipur, students from Meghalaya who are studying in Manipur, and the parents of the students also, that please don't panic, be calm, We are monitoring the situation continuously. We are in touch with the Manipur government continuously, and we are making and taking all steps possible to immediately ensure that we are able to, as quickly as possible, evacuate and bring our students back to Meghalaya, and we'll watch the situation carefully. As the situation gets under control, then we can decide on the further course of action. Thank you.